Today I've seen most of the people have done mistakes in the MCQs. Okay, see, phobia will be there. Everybody will be scared of some MCQ, tough questions will be there. But you have to do by these questions very coolly, and this could be happen by practice only. If you do many sample papers, definitely you will score. And also, one thing, whatever the concepts you are learning again and again, you have to revise it. And you need not to scare of this all these MCQs at all, which you have learned from your basic NCRT. From that only these MCQs are designed it. These are not different types of questions. Clear? First of all, leave your fear towards the MCQ questions. Right? Okay. Today, I would like to explain you what you have done mistakes, and I want to give the explanations in this video. Clear? If you have any kind of doubts, later you can comment, ask me. Now, the first question, to find the degree of the differential equation. In this, what is that? 1 plus dy by dx whole power 3 by 2 is equal to d square by dx square. This is a question to find, and in this, we need to find the degree. Correct? Okay, most of the people, what they know that the highest operator, whatever it is there, that power only will be considered as a degree, but they will neglect other powers, right? See, the other powers, now if you see 3 by 2 is the other power which I'm talking. These other powers compulsory they should be in integer type. If they are not integer type, you need to convert into integer, then you have to find the degree. Blindly you should not conclude that it is here highest order is 2, and degree also from this it is 1. This is absolutely wrong. See what you are supposed to do here, 3 by 2 it is not integer, so you have to do squaring on both sides. Right? Now it becomes 1 plus dy by dx whole power 3 by 2. Why I am doing squaring? Because the denominator has 2 here, so I have to eliminate it. That's why I am choosing squaring on both sides. Now 2 2 gets cancelled. Now 3 we will get, 3 will be not an fraction, it is an integer. So now from here you can talk about that order and degree. See, dy by dx is first order and d square by dx is second order. That power will be the degree of the given differential equation, right? And here I have done squaring on both sides since the denominator has 2. If I have power 1 by 3, if I have cubing on both sides, if I have something like 3 by 4, then I have to multiply or multiply with 4 on in the powers on the both sides. Clear? So based on the denominator you have to choose it. So ultimately what you are supposed to do, that whatever the fraction it is, then you have to convert into integer and simplify it. From that you need to find the order in degree, right? Okay, coming to these options, order, what do we got it? Order is 2 and degree is 2. So we want a degree, so option 2, I mean option B will be the right answer for the first question. And coming to the second question, see this question, it is from the integration. This question you have seen in your textbook. See, let's take the question, x power e minus 1, e power x minus 1, x power e plus e power x dx. Right? We can go like substitution method. How? The denominator, let us take x power e plus e power x as t. People have a confusion. X power e, they are not experienced. Remember, e is a constant, something like 2.71. So it is a constant. So now it is in the formula of x power n. When you do the differentiation of x power n, you will get n into x power n minus 1. Similarly, x power e also will get e into x power e minus 1. Clear? And e power x differentiation, it is e power x, and overall dx is equal to dt. Now the numerator we have x power e minus 1 plus e power x minus 1. So to get this one, what I'll do, I'll take e common from the above step. Okay, from this. So it become x power e minus 1 and e power x minus 1 dx, which is dt. Then I'll get x power e minus 1 e power x minus 1 dx is equal to 1 by e dt. Now let me substitute all this in the given question. It becomes numerator 1 by e dt, denominator as t. So 1 by e is a constant, will be bring it out, dt by t. dt by t is log t. So 1 by e log t modulus t bracket t, according to your convenience. For these questions you can write it 1 by e log x power e plus e power x plus constant. So you have an option C. So option C will be the right answer for this. See children, these all the things, it is very simple. By looking the question, you should not be scared. You have to try whichever the methods you know. Clear? Now coming to the third question, it is from application of integrations. See, x less than or equal to 2 and y less than or equal to modulus x, and we need to find the resultant whatever the shape you get in that area. Now see, forget about less than or equal to whatever you have. So without that one, first I'm using this one. Now y less than or equal to modulus x. So less than, I'm removing that, so I'm considering only y is equal to modulus x. So everybody know how to do that absolute value function. I'm doing like this, y is equal to modulus x, and shading. See which side is open, x side is open. Towards x axis you try to shade it. If it is y greater than or equal to modulus x, y greater than or equal to modulus x, it is open towards y axis, so shade towards y axis, towards y axis. Now here in this question, it is open x axis, so you shade towards x axis. The next thing, x less than or equal to mod 2. Okay, then at 2 you draw, and less than or equal to 2, so less than 2. So the common part is, this is a common part. Now you could see the points, need not to do any integration, simple thing. You can apply that half into base into height, since it is a triangle, base here to here. So first of all you need to know the point of intersection. This is 2 comma 0 and this point 2 comma 2. So this horizontal distance, base will be 2 units and height will be 2 units. So just substitute half into 2 into 2. 2 gets cancelled, 2 square units. That's all. You need not to find using any integrations, 1 marks and all. You can go like simple methods to solve it. Nobody is asking them steps at all. So they want the answers. So you can go for half into base into height. In this, nothing is wrong. Now, according to the question, option B will be 2 square units is the answer. Right? Okay, one second. Now coming to the fourth question. See, find the integrating factor of this one dy by dx. See, children, you have learned a linear differential equation. The standard form, it will be dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. See, in this, the differential operator dy by dx, whatever it is, that coefficient should be as 1. But here x log x. So what we will do, divide with x log x on both sides. So dy by dx and y by x log x is equal to 2 log x by x log x. So what I have done it, I made dy by dx coefficient as 1. So that's why I divided with x log x. Now I'll try to compare with the dy by dx plus py is equal to q, and p will be 1 by x log x. Now the question is that to find the integrating factor, the formula we know, e power integration p dx. Now what do we got? P value, substitute in this, e power 1 by x log x dx. Now here also substitution method, log x as t and differentiation will get 1 by x dx as dt. So everything put it in that e power. Now you will get e power dt by t. So e power dt by t, e power log t, e and log cancel. So t for log x. That's all. It's very simple. So If integrating factor, it is log x. So let's go to the options. Option B will be your answer. Clear?